Hello. We're Brad and Leslie Thomas, and we just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys our remodel of our camper. So we've got
it's a Jayco J-Flop 27 BH 27-foot bunkhouse. I think it's BHW.
So we took about 2 weeks and about $500 to redo the camper.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Hello.
Maybe a little more.
I'm McKenna.
So the video you're going to see is our after and our before. So here we are. It's our first campsite. It's pretty nice. So let's go inside. We kept our couch. It's original. We got a rug painted. Painted the cabinets, the backsplash. A little gallery wall right here for the small world. This is our bedroom. And then we can just take this part down right here. And it closes all the way up for us. Which I'm not going to do that right now, but so this is our bedroom. We got pretty good size walk areas through there. Closets on each side. Got a little station for our remote controls and stuff like that. So that's our fridge, freezer. This is our dining area, TV. This also flips down and makes a bed, and the couch jacks the knives out. There's Brad out there cooking. All right, now show us about your bunk bed.
Okay.
Nope, I'm gonna film you.
So right here I have two little hooks, which I can make my own little doors if I want some privacy. I have to use the little white thing, because
That it can hook and unhook.
Yep.
So each girl has their own little thing that they can open and close. Hey Gigi. Hey Gigi.
I'm not done with my tour.
Oh. Okay, tell us about the bathroom area, Boo Boo.
The bathroom area is very small. I can actually see up here through it. And it also has a blue shower curtain that has designs on it. It's blue and white.
Yeah, let's see.
It has a tiny toilet.
Here it is. So this is the only area we didn't paint, well, besides the little splats there. I'm probably going to end up doing some kind of peel and stick wallpaper. And you guys that love Disney will appreciate this. We brought some of the toiletries with us. Anyways, that's our short little tour. First camping trip. Well, not your first camping trip, but first camping trip in our camper.
Like second first.
Second first.
Yeah.
First time in here.
Yeah, first time in here.
All right, tell them bye.
Bye.